Tonkatsu. A pork cutlet is made into something really, really awesome. And yes, I did for my brother Katsudon, a really, really awesome rice meal or a rice bowl meal. And look at that, it's so good with the sauce. Oh yeah, we're gonna show you how to make the sauce that we did. Of course, how to prepare the pork. Okay, so now here, let's start. Here we actually used about 3 or 4 slices of pork chop because we didn't have a big cutlet. So what we did was layer it into 3 or 4 and then use a chopstick or a toothpick to hold it together. As you can see the toothpick there on the side. So we cover it in flour first, then we soak it in, an egg, 2 eggs beaten. So full recipe will be in the description below, so it'll be easy. Okay, now we put it here and then cover it with the Japanese breadcrumbs. Yeah, that's gonna be so good. Yep, make sure everything is covered so that everything's sticking good. Here it is, and the first one is all done and ready. Here's the second one. Yeah, so this is for me and my brother, right? There, the first one is good. So that's like about 3 or 4 layers of pork chops. That's thinner, but if you can get a thicker cut, that's even better. Now we heat up the oil. So we need this deep fried, so we use the smaller pan. This way, you can make the oil level deeper. Yes, now once it's hot, yes, let it sizzle for like, at least 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. This way, it gets cooked well, but not overcooked. So no longer than 4 minutes or 5 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes is about the tops. All right, here it is. As you can see, it's browning now. Yep, this is so good. Yes, Ate Vicky is trying to see how she can turn it so that it won't fall apart. Because if you can get a thick cutlet, that's even better. But usually get this pork chop like this, so we made it into 4 layers. Here, after turning it, she's trying to let the side cook a bit more, so she's letting it dip on the corner like that. Yes, that's getting good. Now we get that on the strainer so that it can drip oil. Now here on the next one. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Deep fried goodness. So now we let it sit for like 3 minutes. Then here's how good now. So you're gonna turn it to cook the other side. Yes, oh look at that. 3 minutes and it's all good like this. Of course, the pork cutlet has to be not frozen, so it's gonna be get cooked and all that. It's also seasoned well. Here it is. It's all done now. Yes. Now we go to the dining table. Let's make the sauce. Okay. Here we have the bowl. Here's the soy sauce. This is a light soy sauce. We didn't use the dark soy sauce, so it's not gonna be salty. And then of course some chili oil. And then of course Worcestershire sauce. So we put the chili oil onto the oyster sauce now, on the soy sauce. And there's about a spoon of Worcestershire sauce. If you use dark soy sauce, you're gonna have to put a spoon of sugar, brown sugar. But since this is light soy sauce, it's all good now. And then about 2 to 3 spoons of Heinz tomato ketchup. There you go. So for easier measurement, this is about half a cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of Heinz ketchup. So now we make sure the ketchup is fully dissolved in the soy sauce. It's good. It's gonna be tasting really, really good. There's still chunks. So we make it some more. And then here, some sesame seeds, dried sesame. So it's just, makes it good and it's a good touch to it. Yes. At this point, you can actually put a teaspoon of brown sugar, but since this is not really a dark soy sauce, it's not that salty. It's gonna be perfect. We're gonna opt not to put sugar, so it's gonna be okay. Let's look at that. Look at this. It looks really, really good, right? Yep. Oh yeah, time to eat. Here's mine. The egg is there, rice. Oh, this is so perfect, right? And after eating this, I'm gonna make the katsudon for my brother. Okay, here's the bowl. I fill it up with rice, because katsudon is actually a rice bowl meal with a tonkatsu on top of it. And there you go. Okay, now let's go back to the kitchen. Let's fry the egg. Let's go, let's go. Here we are. We heat up the oil. We use the same oil that we use for the tonkatsu. This way the flavors are really good. Get the oil hot. Yes, you can see the oil is heating up now. Time for the egg. There's one egg that's beaten. Yes, we try to spread it out like that. You can actually opt to keep whisking it with the chopsticks while it's frying. This way it's gonna spread out even better. But this is okay. Like this, it's already good. But if you need it to spread out some more, use the chopsticks. Yes, now we're gonna turn this, make sure everything is cooked. It has to be at least or at the most partially cooked. It doesn't have to be overcooked. Yep, it's all good now. You didn't have to flip it. You just put it on the rice itself. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah. Here it is. Now we cut the tonkatsu for my brother. Yes, here. We cut it now. And we remove the chopsticks or the toothpicks once we cut it, because you can see it some portions. Yes, all there. Look at that. You see the toothpick is right there, but it's easy to remove it. Oh yeah. All right, now we cut the rest. Here it is. Oh yeah, this is so good. Now let's put it on the bowl. All right, here we are. Put this there. This, trying to figure out how to, for good plating, for a good presentation. But that's too high. Okay, let me do it again. Here it is. Now it's a better position. Now we pour in the tonkatsu sauce or the katsudon sauce that we made. Oh, this is so good. And I realize now that's why this is how they do it with the katsudon. Like they pour the sauce over on top of the egg, the pork cutlets, and the rice. Because when I tried it and added the sauce to the rice, it made it so good. Like I could eat more than an extra bowl of rice because of that taste. Look at this. Oh yeah. This is so good. Yep, we can click here for the other good stuff, but hey, look at this. My brother loved this. Yep. Next time we're gonna try to get or acquire a thicker cutlet so that we can do this the good way without the layers. Yes, and thanks for watching. Subscribe this way you can check out all the other good stuff here. All right. Yeah.